Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be unboxing these two boxes. We have a small box and a big box right here, so let's get into it. So first, let's just open up this box. It's already open. This was a disaster trying to cover up stuff. There's all sticky parts and tape being ripped and all this. So let's just pop this open. And right here, we have a Ryan Newman Oscar Myers car, 2020 Mustang. That car is really nice. That's why I got it. Really like it. But now it is on to the big box. So let's open this up. Getting into this. Oh yes. There we go. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, let's put away the scissors before we're completely done. That's real smart. Now we should be good. There we go. And here we are. Yeah, don't want you guys to see this because that says what the stuff is and other very important things that you cannot see. So let's get these boxes out, and then we will get this out of the way. You guys probably already know. The bottom is really not that secure. Okay. You guys probably already know what these are now. So let's just go right into the first one. Oh, yes. This might be a this might be a time for a what do you call it? Oh, a clickbait picture? No, not a clickbait picture. Here, where should we get us right now? Is this good? Oh yeah, that looks perfect. No, we need more. Yes. That looks like perfection. Okay. These finally came. It's been a long time. Nice little ASMR there. Get that off to the side, and here is the first one. Woohoo! Okay. Yes, sir. Ooh, the hood is open. Let's check this guy out right here. If I can. Okay. Yes. 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 That is all I can say about this diecast. Get all this stuff out of the way. Oh, it's a different color. That's the only thing. Why it's so different? It still looks beautiful though. This car is still beautiful. Oh, I love it. And this is nice. Okay. Get that off the side. And now let's move on to the next box. All the stuff that comes in there. Don't want to get too in all this stuff, since this is not a diecast review. It's more of an unboxing. Let's get us back up here on the top here, so then you can see everything. great camera angle right there. Throws it on the ground. Yeah. Oh my god, there's so many little paper scrappings and dust. Okay. Let's get another one. I don't know why these are so satisfying. Ooh, that one's really nice, really cool. Okay. Bet that's the whole reason you guys clicked on the video, because of that awesome appealing, whatever you call them. I keep on thinking of clickbait. I'm not entertaining whatsoever. Here it is. It is the Truex 2019 Las Vegas win. Here it is. First Toyota of the recent times, whatever you want to say. I actually just got that. These are the first I can't even talk. I'm so happy right now. Yeah. These are the first Toyotas and first Chevys that I've gotten of 2019 Elites. Out of all my diecasts, I have 3 other cars and they are all Ford Elites. So here it is, and this will definitely be an upcoming review. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. This confetti just works. It's just like, you just like say, yes, you see it? Yes, yes, please, yes. I will take that 100%. Got a little bit of damage on the side too. Woohoo! I love that car. That one is beautiful. Okay. Triggered. It's sad. So let's get all of our cars that we have gotten for this lot of haul. Yeah, that's nice. For this lot of a haul. There we go. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all next time. Sorry for being so off topic.